Namaste, Khusro Betia. I, Zebian Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Our today's topic of the session is grid computing. So, first we will see what is grid computing. Grid computing is a group of computers which is physically exist and connected over a network with internet to perform a dedicated task together, such as analyzing e-commerce data and solve a complex problems. Grids are a form of super virtual computer that solves a particular application. The grid size may vary from small to large enterprises networks. Right? That means it works together and it physically exists not as a cloud computing, but it works as a supercomputer. Right? A computing grid is constructed with the help of grid middleware software that allows them to communicate. So, there is a software which makes the computers to communicate with each other. Middleware is used to translate one node information passed, stored, or processed information to another into a recognizable format. It is the form of distributed computing or peer-to-peer computing. Grid computing is distinguished from the cluster computing because in grid computing each node has a heterogeneous and geographical dispersed, such as a WAN and its own resources manager and perform a different task and are loosely connected by the internet or low speed networks. That means it is basically physically exist and each computer has its own characteristics, own network speed, their own physical servers, storage capacity, right? So they have vary from different to different computers, but in cluster computing resources are managed in a single location like a LAN. Okay, so here is the some diagram which is in the form of grid computing. So here is a control node and some are physically exist computer but each are connected with each other in the form of WAN. The grid computing model is a special kind of cost effective distributed computing. In distributed computing, resources are shared by same network computers. In grid computing architecture, every computer in network turning into a powerful supercomputer that access to enormous processing power, memory, and data storage capacity. Grid computing solves challenging problems such as earthquakes, simulation, and weather modeling. Grid computing is a way of using resources optimally inside an organization. Grid architecture can also be used for load balancing and redundant network connection. So this is very useful for challenging problem solution. So this model are parallel processing software that divides a program among the many thousand computers and collect and compatible the results into a single solution. For the security reasons, grid computing is restricted within the same organization. Grid computing can be used in a large networks where thousands of machines sit idle at any given moment. Even when a user is reading, it constitutes idle time. This idle power of computers can be used for large computational problems. This technique is running in the background that is known as cycle escaving, that is called SETI at the rate home. SETI at home is another example of grid computing project created by the Berkeley SETI Research Center at Space Science Laboratory in University of California, Berkeley. In the SETI Research Center, thousands of machines searching for sign of extraterrestrial intelligence. So this is all about this session. Thank you. I hope you like my session. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. This digital session version 2.0 provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you, class.